Okay, I would like to explain you a little bit ideas how to connect better by using body weight, not only using a step. So take a look. Let's me ask Christina a little bit. So watch, if we stay like this and use a bell, you can copy, mimicking her. So see, this is a zero position, position number zero. Now, I will stay here, create a little bit resistance. Now, I will ask Christina to go move her spine forward just a little bit. We call it +1. Move a little bit more, +2, +3, +4, +5 is her deepest. Now I'm returning her back to position 0, which is a perfect balance. Now I will send her back -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. Myself, I'm doing the same. Now, if I, just flat feet. When I send her back there into -1, for example, and I'm not changing her direction, she has to continue to -2, to -3, to -4. If I don't change her, you continue to -20. And then I'm changing her, legs together. You see now she go +1. If I don't change her again, you have to continue till +5. Then I change her here. Very good. And now in this case, we have a resistance which is gradually increasing. And then you feel, when you go on minus, feeling of the pull. When you go on plus, the feeling of the push. But not because of the arm, because we're going off balance. Because most of the time you practice to stay on balance, but in real life you want to be actually getting off balance a little bit. Now put your right leg back, put this leg back. Now watch, when you transfer weight, you would want to go into minus after your weight is complete. So go -1, -2, but hook here, -3, hook me, -4, -5. If I change you, see you transfer weight forward, this is 0, then you go +1, +2, +3 without taking a step, and then go here. On the hooks, you have to hook me too, boom. And then let's say when we talk, if I say give me +1, don't give me +200, right? Then yeah, the next exercise we'll do, go step, step. So here you will have a triangle. Now on this time, you see I stop you, but because you know the secret, you're not gonna stop. You're gonna stop your moving leg, but you're gonna continue +1, +2, +3, +4. Now I'm sending you back into step, but you're not gonna stop there. You're gonna continue, and here. Yeah, step, continue, and step. Now, for example, like our Ramba, for example, I send you back and I lead you into the turn. If I turn you, I want you to give me -2 right away. Yeah, on minus. Don't stay in 0 position because
always moving.
Competitive dancing.
Always moving through the foot from the heel to the front part of the
Okay, let's try. You try. So here, close legs. Now go. No, close legs. No steps. Just here. Go. +1. No, just connection. Tick, 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 tick. No, just keep your two flat feet. +1, +2, +3, +5. Now go 0. No, keep your, 0. Yes. -1, no, okay, no steps. Just like this. Just like this. We're not dancing, we're just trying some new ideas. Yes, and go bye, 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 bye. So take your spine, stay there. Fight into it. Only when I change you. +1, +2, plus.
That's a lot. Yeah, the key is to be solid in your core, otherwise you partially right there and there. So the entire body goes on the toes, then on the heels. Weight on the toes, weight on the heels. And let's say if he lets you go further, you can go a little bit further off balance. But you go within your foot usually, like heel, then let's say toes, right? Let's say on the toes. But if he lets you go like crazy far, you
This is a +1, +2, +3, +4, +5. This is the deepest. Don't go deeper than that. I'll send you back -1, -2, -3. Yes. Until if I don't change you, keep going plus, 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 or minus, 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 minus. Very good. Now take this right leg back. The same idea. Step back. Go -1, -2, -3. So you have to be on the very strong. See, I'm changing you now. +1, +2, +3. Has nothing to do with the moving leg. It's only playing with the body weight, creating a lot of counterbalance resistance. Excellent. Now go walk, 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 walk in here. Go +1, +2 with your lower spine, right?
Okay.
And I'll send you back, step back, boom, boom. But in between, do that knee action, what we already explained you. Very good. In, boom. Now, if I would like to turn you, you see, if I hip twist you, you have to give me at least -1. Because you see, now we have a feel. So then I can start changing you. For example, here, I want -1, maybe -2, yes. Now, when you come in forward, you're not just coming forward. You have to give me at least +1. Then I'm able to change you, -2, +1, boom, 90 degree. It's going to be on the minus. Every time you do hip twists, there's always some -1, -2. Got it? So when we dance, there is always some feeling of resistance. Yeah. I may dance with you, let's say, if I want to do with you cha-cha basics, we have to at least give each other +1 feel of the weight. Right, now we can dance. Feel it? 2, 3, cha-cha. If you're more advanced, you stay with me +1. Here, I will delay you. Cha-cha, 1. You're going to give me +3, and you go into -2, 3. Cha-cha, 1, and go into minus, then plus. 3, cha-cha, 1. So fan position, you can be on very strong minus. And whoa, 3, cha-cha, 1. And feel connection?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's much stronger.